Hi everyone, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet, and today we're looking at the Snow Queen collection from Eureka Crystal Beads. If you're not familiar with their collections, they make these beautifully cohesive palettes that take all the guesswork out of color matching. And this is actually their LITE version, which is a really affordable way to get a professional foundation to your beadwork. It usually goes on sale for around $40, which is also a great value. What I love most is its versatility. It's perfect for making a standalone project or working into your own stash. Plus, you'll find free patterns on their website using these exact beads, some by me and some by other designers. But honestly, there's so much variety here that I hardly get to use it all in one go. The Snow Queen collection, absolutely beautiful, especially if you love the blues and whites and silvery glints. This is something that you should check out. I'll leave my affiliate link below in the description. There's so many beautiful beads to look at this time. Let's start right here with these smooth, round 3mm check glass drugs. They're in this beautiful saturated metallic. The name of this color is Little Boy Blue. And it came in a strand of 100. And I thought that it paired so well with the crescent beads that they gave us. You get a full tube in this collection. These 2-hole crescent beads are in the same saturated metallic called Little Boy Blue. And if you've been beading at all for a while, you'll know that these are the 2-hole Tila beads. And these are their full-size 5mm by 5mm Tila with a pearl white opaque finish. And this was a 5-gram bag. And I can't help but point out these beautiful 4mm and 6mm fire polish beads. They're in matching colors. Came strong, I took them off. A 54mm light sapphire and 25 of the 6mm fire polish with some coordinating Miyuki delicas. These size 11 delicate beads are aligned crystal light sapphire. They came in a 5-gram bag, which is quite a few. And here you can't help but notice this Krakowski crystal oval stone. It's a 13 by 18. It's also in a light sapphire. Just look at how much that sparkles. In here we have some very large size 6 Miyuki seed beads. It was an 8-gram bag and they're in a white AB finish. And check out these 8mm chatones. They have a point back, but they're sort of wavy in texture. They have a little crimping going along. You get a total of 6 of those. These faceted teardrop beads are a check fire polish and a luster transparent blue. They're 7mm by 5mm. You get 25 pieces. Very pretty. And from there, I think we'll jump straight over here and look at the little crystals. These are the Chinese crystal 3x2 rondelles. They're a light Montana AB. I'm just picking up one of the drops. You can see how they coordinate together. There's also 2 of these Krakowski 12mm cushion cut fancy stones. The color is vitral blue. Very pretty. And there was a full tube of Miyuki size 11 opaque white seed beads, along with another full tube. This time it was bugle beads. So these are 3mm Toho bugle beads, a silver lined crystal, definitely glimmering in the light here. And we have Miyuki size 15 seed beads. These came in a 5-gram bag, so you have a lot to work with. And they're in this beautiful white pearl AB finish. And next to them, we have these Miyuki delicas, also in the white pearl AB finish, so they'll match. There is another full strand of these beautiful Chinese crystals. These 3x2 Chinese crystals, the same as these, but this color here is silver metallic. And the collection rounds out with 3 sets of findings. The findings are all by Gleamcraft, and these ear wires, if you like fancy, well, here we go. Look at that. Those are beautiful ear wires. And a 6mm round magnetic ball clasp, and also a very sparkly 14mm toggle clasp. So all 3 of the findings are a white gold finish. The Snow Queen Collection Light from Eureka Crystal Beads. This is definitely a beautiful palette, all sorts of wonderful crystals and beads and findings. I hope that you've enjoyed this presentation, and as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.